They got them going crazy. They going out their mind. Getting cooked by the pressure. And they're running out of time. Been like that for a minute. Slow boy, so they don't know that they in it. Dumb them down and start cranking up the tension. Pit the millions of women for that ultimate division. Then at this one versus that one, the slim versus the fat one, the white versus the black one, all for that reaction.
Debuta.